In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to create a signal and assign that to our controller. I'm going to start by coming up to the Cell tab and create signal. When I right click on the signal component, I can switch between digital and analog, and by using the shift up I can switch between output and input. The only compulsory input on this component is the alias, which is simply a string, and I suggest matches exactly what the controller, the real controller, believes is the name of the signal. If your controller allows aliases, that might be something like do01, or if your controller only accepts indices, then it might simply be 1. That's created a signal for us, and I'm going to bring that and plug it into the signal input of the controller. That's all there is to it.